Speed, the ratio of the distance an object moves to the amount of time the object moves. The equation for speed is distance divided by time. Speed is demonstrated by the kitten flying through the air. Velocity, the speed and direction an object is moving measured relative to a reference point. Velocity equals distance divided by time with direction. Velocity is shown by how far the kitten is moving per second. Projectile motion, the curved path of an object in free fall after it is given an initial forward velocity. Projectile motion is shown by the kitten flying as it is being pulled down.
Acceleration. The rate at which velocity changes acceleration is shown by the changing velocity of the kitten. The equation for acceleration is the final velocity subtracted from the starting velocity divided by the time. Every object in a state of uniform motion tends to remain in that state of motion unless an external force is applied to it. The first law of motion is represented by the kitten sitting in the cannon without anything acting on it. The relationship between an object's mass, m, is acceleration a, and the applied force F is F equals ma. The second law of motion is represented by more power of the cannon the further the cat flies. What? No. Here we go. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The third law is represented by when the kitten hits an object.
Momentum is the product of an object's mass and its velocity. The equation for momentum is mass times velocity equals momentum. A 5-pound kitten flying through the air with its velocity is momentum. Work is the product of force and distance. The equation for work is force times distance equals work. Work is shown by the cannon shooting the kitten in the air, and it leads to its death.
Power, the rate of doing work. Work divided by time. Power is shown in kitten cannon by how long the kitten lives. Potential energy is the energy that is stored as a result of position or shape. The equation for potential energy is weight times height. Potential energy is shown in kitten cannon by the kitten sitting in the cannon waiting to be shot to its death. Kinetic energy. The energy of motion. The equation for kinetic energy is half times mass times velocity to the second power. Kinetic energy is shown in Kitten Cannon by the kitten flying through the air.